Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty by January. I am January. If this is your first time here, welcome. Today's video, I will be doing a fall haul. So basically, I'll just be showing you guys different things I picked up at stores. It will be mainly beauty products like makeup and stuff like that. So if you want to see all the stuff that I picked up at the store, then keep on watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for the rest of the video. Let's get right into it. First couple items I got is from Juvia's Place, and I got two palettes from them. This is one palette here. This is the Nubian palette. This is the palette. That's the colors there. A lot of really nice, rich, neutral colors, golds and coppery colors. Another palette I picked this one up from Ulta. Ulta actually sells Juvia Place products now. And this is the Masquerade Mini palette. So that's what it looks like. And I really like these colors. A lot of really bright, vibrant pinks and blues and purples. Majority of the stuff I got from Ulta. But here's another makeup palette. This is BH Cosmetics, the Aurora Lights eyeshadow palette. But that's what that looks like. A lot of really shimmery metallics in this palette here. Next product I picked up was the Ardell Dual Lash Applicator. And I also got this from Ulta. I don't know what the price was, but I'll put it in the description box. But I did get this from Ulta. And it's just a tool that makes it easier to apply your false eyelash. These lashes here, these are Ardell Studio Effects. These lashes here. And these are also Studio Effects Wispies. This is a dual pack. I think they had some type of sale going on. Might have been buy one, get one free, or buy one, get one 50% off. I got this highlighter from Morphe. It's Spark is the color. It's a little small highlighter. I got a matte lip liner, NYX Suede lip liner. I got this from Ulta. The color the color name is Alien. And I think it's like a black. Yeah. It's a black, perfect for like the fall. I like black lips. So I got this. And I also got the Pro Concealer. I got it in medium beige just to like highlight under my eyes and stuff. And I got the LA Girl Pro Setting High Definition Spray. This is a setting spray. I've never used it before, but in Ulta, I believe they had a sale, buy one, get one 50% off. So I think I paid full price for this. And then I think the concealer that I just showed, I think that one was 50% off. I also picked up from Ulta the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. I haven't tried any of these products yet. Hopefully this is my color. It looked like the right color in the store, but we gonna see. Then I got the NYX Hydra Touch Oil Primer. And I didn't get the primer that goes with the NYX foundation because I have dry skin, and that was a mattifying primer, and I was scared that it would make my skin too dry and too matte, so that's why I got an oil primer instead. And at the time that I purchased this, they also had buy one get one 50% off. I have another lip liner. This is like a eggplant color, a deep plum. It's the NYX Suede matte lip liner. Oh, Put It On. That's the name of the liner. But yeah, it's kind of hard to see on camera, but it's like a purpley color. Also picked up some dual eyelash glue for my lashes that I got. Also from Ulta. And I also got the Living Proof Instant Defrizzer. Softness and shine anytime. Get smooth between shampoos. I got this for free from Ulta. I don't know what it's going to do. I guess it's going to cut down on frizz on your hair in between shampoos, but I didn't pay anything. It was free. So we'll see what it do. I think that is it for all of the stuff that I got from Ulta. So I'm going to show you guys the rest of the stuff that I got from other stores. Hopefully I can remember where I got everything from. I got a brush set. This is an NYX brush set. I believe I got this from Ross. Yeah, Ross. And it was on sale. It was regular $12.99. And it was on sale for $6. So that's why I got it. But it's really nice because it has like a little bag that it came with. Like a little case. You can carry it. Or you can even... This can actually be used as like a clutch. Like if you're going out somewhere, you know, you can use this as a clutch. Or you can just put your brushes in it, whatever you want to do. But these are the brushes here. And they're super duper soft. They're like really, really soft brushes. And they are, they have like glitter on them. Like pink glitter. So they're nice brushes. I also picked this up from Ulta, but I took it out of the package. I just threw it in here with the rest of them. This is a powder brush, an e.l.f. powder brush. I think this brush retails for $3. You can find this Ulta, Target, a lot of different stores carry this. This is also a brush I really like for like contouring. I went to Costco and picked up a couple things. This is not really beauty related, but I figure whatever, I'll throw it in. So I got this Secret from Costco. It smells really good. It's the Cool Water Lily Secret. And I got 3 full-size deodorants. And then I got this little cute one I like throw in my purse. And I believe for this, it was a sale. I always buy stuff on sale. This was like $9.99. So I couldn't really pass that up. I was like, $9.99? Okay. Another Costco thing that I got. I got this Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. I really like this spray for my hair. I've used it in the past. I had got like a sample from some company. And ever since then, I'm like, oh, I really like the way, like how soft and stuff that it makes my hair. This is really nice. Like, I like to spray it on my hair for like shine. It says that it detangles, it reduces frizz, it strengthens, softens, cuts drying time, adds shine, nourishes, smooths, thermal protection, UV protection, and it says it's for all hair types. So this would be like a really good like heat protector, or if you want extra shine in your hair. And this is actually regular $9.99. No, I'm sorry, $12.99 for 1 bottle. And so I got 2 bottles from Costco for $9.99. So that's like a really good deal for this. I ordered this from ColourPop. It's the Best in Brows kit here. That's basically what it looks like. It comes with 2 brow pencils. It comes with like a really skinny pencil and like a regular size pencil, like fuller pencil, precise brow pencil, brow boss pencil, and it comes with a precise brow color. So it looks like it might be like a pomade, and it comes with the brow gel. And I got it in the color Ash Brown. I ordered this from ColourPop. I got the CoverGirl Melting Pout Gel Liquid Lipstick in the color 155. And 155 is like a purple. I love purple. Purple is like my favorite color, so can't pass up a purple lip. Also, while I was in Target, I picked up the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Waterproof Brow Gel. I live for a good brow gel, so I got that from Target as well, and I got it in deep brown. I guess you could say this is like really an impulse buy because I really didn't need this, but I was in there and it was cheap. So it's a luminizer, so this is like a highlighter palette here. It's got really pretty like golds, coppery colors. It looks like it almost has something that's like, it looks like purpley blue. This was like really, really cheap. It was regular $4.99, marked down to $3.49, and then when I got to the register, it was like $2. So can't beat that price. I haven't tried it yet. Hopefully it shows up, but You can't beat that price. I also got, when I was in Target, this was also very inexpensive, around like $2, regular $4.99, $5.99. I got a lip kit, and it came with it's the Profusion Matte Lip Cream. So it comes with this. So, and then it also comes with the lip liner to match it, the Profusion Matte Lip Liner. And you have the Profusion Sparkling Lip Topper. So it's like a little lip kit, and I think I paid $2 for all 3 products. So that's that. Lastly, but not leastly, I got the BH Liquid Foundation in the color Mocha Naturally Flawless Foundation. This is what the foundation looks like here. This was really inexpensive too. I think it was like $9. I cannot remember what store I got it from. It's not coming to me, but yeah. So I got this from some other store. And that was everything. That is my fall haul. Just wanted to show you guys all the things that I've been picking up lately from the store. Most of the items I got from Ulta. A few of them I got from Target. And some of the stuff I ordered online and also from Costco. So I just wanted to show you guys all the shopping that I've been doing as far as beauty products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I will check you guys in the next video. See you soon. Smooches.